Welcome to another Tiny Garage video. Today on Tiny Garage, we're going to take a look at this 1932 Ford from Hot Wheels. This is part of the HW Flames series, number 6 of 10 from that series. And this is a short card, as you can see. It's not very big. It's got some really good card art, looks just like the vehicle. And this is a really cool one. It's bright red with yellow flames and a big motor in the front. We'll get a closer look at that in a minute. And I think this one's been around for a while and they just keep changing the color and the paint. But overall, it's a really cool car. So let's take a look at it. So here we have our 32 Ford out of its packaging, and if we take a look at the side, we can see these nice hot rod flames down the side. Really cool, the yellow on the red. Looks really good. And it's got these kind of 80s Hot Wheels chrome wheels. You don't really see these too much anymore, but they were very popular in the 80s and 90s Hot Wheels, and maybe even going before that. So we'll take a look at the front. Got the nice chrome grille down on the front and some headlights. It's an open engine car. There's no hood over the engine, so you can really see that chrome with the exhaust pipes. Looks really cool. Let me turn it around on the front. You can also see the front wheels are smaller than the back wheels, which is a very hot rod thing to do because this would have been a rear wheel drive car. Let me turn it around the back. You can see it's got the no tail lights or anything like that on the back. It's just very simple, very plain. It's got a chopped roof on the top, so it's nice and short. This would be a really cool car in real life. Here's a take a look at the base here. Oops, upside down. Let's look at it this way. So it says 1997 Mattel, would have been the original casting. Or the copyright for this casting, made in Malaysia. But that's a really cool car. It looks really attractive, and this is what you would see at like car shows and things like that. So this is a really good one. I'm glad to have this one in the collection. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave us a like and a comment, and if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything from Tiny Garage. We'll see you in the next video.